is your home. Its job is to keep you warm and comfortable all year round. But it can easily do all that better with intelligent heating. What if your heating system was able to keep up with your busy lifestyle? Well, Novo can, because it is the smartest radiator valve ever. Innovative, stylish, and simple to install. They allow you to control your heating in a way that flows with your busy life, no matter what room. It allows you to make smarter decisions to optimize your comfort and for those that visit.
Each radiator valve is packed full of technology, from the latest radios, cutting-edge electronics, to the most durable motors and mechanics that we can find. All that you can control from the comfort of your app.
We use the cloud so you can monitor and control your heating anytime, anywhere.
Our patent-pending thermoelectric energy recovery system harvests some of your heating energy, so you never have to change your batteries.
Novo can respond to changes in your habits, automatically bringing comfort to your home. And importantly, reducing the energy used when you're not. All from our simple app, no matter where you are. Take control of your comfort and those around you with Novo.
Here at Novo, we've packed the latest technology into every one of our radiator valves. The latest radios, motors and sensors were all controlled from one app.
They are designed in such a way so all your modules can be plug and play.
One of the main things about the smart radiator valve is that it gives you the control.
It also has the ability to retrospectively being able to go in and analyse the data. For instance, on one side of the house might be heated by the sun, the other one might be in the shade all day long and obviously generally would be cooler. And the ability to sort of profile those rooms on a much more kind of room by room level.
So the customers don't need to worry about the external weather factors for this week or today and then change their settings accordingly. But we take all these factors in consideration and pass through our clever algorithms.
So your house can actually change the pattern of heating before you realize that the weather changes.
And in fact, it's even smart enough to work out if you were a certain distance away, and it'll be able to work out how long it's going to take you to get home. And as soon as you walk in the door, your house will be up to temperature.
It's very important for everybody to do their bits and save the planet. We estimate that you can easily save 30% of your energy bill.
We've designed the app totally in-house. It was built and designed by our own team, and that means our support is second to none because we know this product inside out.
What I really like with our product is that we combine latest technology and also made it affordable for everyone. We keep it simple and also smart.
One in two will experience a burglary during their lifetime. So let's see what people do in order to prevent burglaries. Cameras. Well, that's a perfect way to ruin your dinner. If this ever happens to you, remember to keep an eye on your wine. Dogs. Sure, dogs are great, but they're much too cute to leave behind. The next door neighbor, you say, because he always does such a great job of looking after your plants. The time switch, nowadays referred to as the smart bulb. Well, it's a step into the right direction, except that burglars don't only break in when it's dark outside. Come on, is that all we've got? Burglars are afraid of confrontation, so presence is key. That's why we came up with Kevin. The combination of light effects and sound make it look like someone's home. Household noises are the most effective way to simulate the presence of residents and deter burglars, especially during the day. Kevin has a light intensity sensor and knows when to switch on the lights and when to save power. The random simulation is based on multiple factors such as region, language, weather, environment and more. Leaving home in a rush, Kevin senses that you've left and activates himself. Of course, you can control Kevin from anywhere. And yes, when you're at home, Kevin is there for you too.
I make sure the product works for everyone. You can use the app on the phone or the grandma-friendly buttons on the device itself. Kevin is really easy to live with.
Thanks to our collaborations with experienced industrial designers and electronic engineers, we are about to get ready for productions.
At Mitipi, we envision a world where the term burglary is only found in history books.
Join the journey and support the vision. You will receive a great Kevin. Thank you for backing.
Today, everything is becoming mobile. We live in a world that people are constantly on the go and are running their chores everywhere. But there's one office tool that is still stuck behind, that hasn't changed in the past decade and isn't mobile. We're talking about the printer.
We looked at printers today and we saw big bulky boxes with the printhead inside moving from left to right. And then we thought, why not just take the printhead out and put it on a robot? When we first started thinking about creating the printer, the most important thing for us was that it should be small. We knew we had to utilize every single inch. We wanted a pocket-sized printer that can print on any size of paper, precise images. We want people can take it everywhere and use it not only in the office or at home. The printer's cover is made of polycarbonate with a glossy finish. We have two options. One is in Mars Black and the other is titanium white.
I started working on the mechanical configuration, how it will look inside and how to configure the motors so it will be as small as possible and as accurate as possible. We had to keep it small. Everything was designed prior to building it on a computer. We have initial mechanical prototype. We have our initial code. It's about 10 by 10 by 8 centimeters. Our initial prototype is aimed for grayscale images and text. The prototype aims for printing a page in under a minute. We are using a special Bluetooth protocol which allows us to be able to print from any device. That means that no drivers will be needed. It will print on a regular A4 paper. If you have multiple pages, it will hold and it will tell you to change a page.
We started working on this project at our college, JCT, at the Friedberg Entrepreneurship Challenge. We received initial funding and the help and guidance of the college's professors in order to work on this. We've been working hard and we built several prototypes for the robot, and we have our design for manufacturing prototype all designed out. Now we need your support so we can start ordering and working on the smaller and stronger custom-made parts in order to make this robot even smaller and make this incredible device a reality. Thank you for your support.
United today. Drops for Anderson. Loop ball forward. And it's
Thank you so much for wishes. Thank you so much. Honey, I'm going to office.
Bye, see ya. your thumb. It goes from here to here. This bigger screen goes from here to here.
That's the way it should be. Apple's mission has always been to create easy-to-use products. People love their iPhone. However, with every new innovation of the iPhone, Apple has gotten further away from that idea, resulting in one major complaint. Navigating is difficult. As our phones have gotten larger, we've had to compromise single-handedly. We shouldn't have to, and you, the people, have spoken. Everyone wants a more convenient way to navigate their iPhone. And just like Katie, we also wish the iPhone had a backlight. Introducing the IntelliPlus Binoculars, a smart screen protector for the iPhone. The IntelliPlus is the most convenient way to navigate your iPhone, helping you answer messages, tweet, surf Instagram, and so much more with its built-in smart button, changing the way you use your iPhone forever. IntelliPlus features 2 smart buttons on either side of the home button. Signals from the smart buttons are carried to the top of your phone via integrated circuits. So now, you'll never have to struggle to reach those icons at the top. More than just a back button, the IntelliPlus is the ultimate iPhone accessory.